This video is on how to make a matcha green apple chard smoothie. This is a naturally caffeinated smoothie with a lot of flavor. I'll show you how to make it, and at the end of the video, I'll tell you about the health benefits of this smoothie. Here's what you need to get started: raw unfiltered honey, a fresh lime, a fresh banana, green apples, matcha powder, chia seeds, and it's not shown in this camera shot, but you'll also need Swiss chard and apple juice. I'll put links to everything in the show notes below as well as in the comments. I'm going to prep by slicing a banana. Now squeeze half a lime into a container. I peeled and chopped 2 apples. I did it off camera because it's kind of tedious to watch, but go ahead and add the 2 apples to the blender. Now add the sliced banana. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of matcha powder. Now add 1 tablespoon of raw unfiltered honey. Now add the lime juice that we squeezed earlier. Make sure you're using fresh lime juice. You don't want to use the pre-made lime juice that comes in a plastic bottle. You're obviously making this smoothie for health benefits, so you might as well use the freshest ingredients possible. Now pour in 3/4 of a cup of apple juice. It's going to come out better if you use chilled apple juice, so maybe put it in the freezer for 10 minutes before you use it. Now pour in a cereal-sized bowl of Swiss chard. Now pour in anywhere from half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of ice. Here's where a really good blender comes in handy. I'm using a Ninja Professional Plus. All I do is hit the smoothie button and I can walk away. It's going to do all the work for me. I don't have to stop and get a spoon and mix it up and start over again or any of that stuff. If you're using just a standard kitchen blender, that's fine, but you're going to have to stop, take the lid off, and mix it up a little bit by hand and restart it a few times. The purpose of having a good blender is so you don't get all the granular pieces and ice chunks. You want it to be perfectly smooth, just like if you went to a professional smoothie shop. If you're going to make a smoothie every day like I do, I highly recommend investing in a really good blender. I'll go ahead and put a link to this one along with the ingredients in the show notes below. Okay, we're done. Just as expected, this one blended perfectly. Before I talk about the health benefits of the ingredients, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. First, let's talk about chia seeds. Chia seeds are good for reducing blood pressure, lowering cholesterol levels, supporting digestive health, aiding in weight management, reducing inflammation, helping control diabetes, protecting against chronic disease, and improving anxiety and depression. As far as the health benefits of matcha, it has cancer-fighting antioxidants. It contains fiber, which promotes healthy digestion. It contains vitamin C, chromium, magnesium, selenium, and zinc. It helps reduce blood pressure and cholesterol. It helps boost metabolism, which helps you burn more calories, and it may improve your mood. Swiss chard contains 3 times the recommended daily intake of vitamin K and 44% of the recommended amount of vitamin A. Swiss chard can help combat cancer, reduce blood pressure, and enhance performance in sports. Green apples contain a compound called pectin. It's a fiber source that works as a prebiotic to promote the growth of healthy bacteria in your gut. Pectin found in green apples can help you break down foods more efficiently. Green apples also improve your heart health and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Some of the health benefits of raw unfiltered honey are antibacterial and antiviral properties, anti-inflammatory properties. It boosts the immune system. It's a natural allergy relief. It regulates blood sugar levels, aids in digestion. It's a natural energy source. It promotes good heart health, and it promotes better sleep. Limes are high in vitamin C and antioxidants. Eating limes or drinking the juice may improve immunity, reduce heart disease, prevent kidney stones, aid in iron absorption, and promote healthy skin. I use lime for this smoothie, but a lemon will work just as well. Once again, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.